Hello everyone, this is my web programming final project self-report. I am Marcelino Roland. In this project, my part in the project is being in charge of the BMI calculator, and I use HTML, Python, CSS, and a little bit of Bootstrap for some of the styling. In this, as you can see on the top right, I've shown how the calculator looks like. And I am working closely with Mas Ryan here, and I'm using his template of how he wanted the calculator to look like. And I use CSS and put my own twist on this calculator. So one of the features that I have implemented is the enabling of switching between metric and imperial units. So I put a conversion for pounds to kg and inches to centimeter to process the BMI. The other feature that I have implemented is the parameter check, or the validity check. And in this, I use parse integers to determine the validity of input to prevent errors. In the case that a string input is given, it will cause an error and it will break the program, so I want to prevent that as possible. By comparing the length of input before and after parsing, it enables to limit the user input to only integer, as if there was a string, the length will be shortened as the string is blocked from the parsed integer. And this function will enable the the calculate submit button to be used by the user. And from the previous slide, I indicated the calculate button as red to show that it is not able to be used. It's disabled. And next, the calculator design. So in the CSS part of the calculator design, I make it such that it has a pop-up appearance by implementing shadows on the box, and I also put a little of transparency in the box itself so that it looks more popped up and you can see the white smoke background better. I've also as I said, implemented the different colors of the button to show when it is disabled. So, and I have used the pointer events none when it is disabled, so that people are more aware that they can't calculate before they do the validity checking. Here, by using the main color scheme of the website that we have agreed upon, which is the BFFF00 lime green, and also the white smoke background, I use that color scheme as the main point of this calculator, with the lime green text and white smoke background on the input thing. And moreover, on the slight implementation of the Bootstrap, I use different colors to indicate the seriousness of one's weight class. And these are the three colors that I used, and of course there are more weight class than this, but I use these three colors to indicate the seriousness. And I have also implemented a reset button by using a link to the BMI calculator main page as a way to reverse the process without having any input